Since the president signed that law, it means that he recognizes the need for that law. And since he is the chief enforcer of all laws of the Philippines, he will be the first one to obey the law.
This is the assurance of Malacañang after President Rodrigo Duterte signed Republic Act No. 11313 or the Safe Spaces Act on April 17, 2019. This is also known as the Anti-bastos Law. It can be noted that the chief executive has been criticized by women's groups numerous times for his controversial statements. The palace also insists the president just cracks jokes but does not mean to offend. The official also explained the anti-bastos bill in connection to the statements of President Duterte, which were criticized by the groups of women.
It's okay.
That particular law is penal in nature, meaning criminal in nature. In other words, the subject offended party must be offended personally by an offender.
Yes.
Pero kung general na nagkikwento, ma-open ka, paano mo sasabihin na ikaw ang tinutukoy nun? May problema ka doon. How can you even charge him with what? How did I offend you?
Okay.
Did I refer to you? O, paano ka na? Dismiss ka agad yun. Kailangan personal yun eh. Crime is personal to the offender.
When asked if the president is expected to lessen his jokes on women because of the anti-bastos law, the palace says the public must wait and see since the president is full of surprises. Malacañang also assures anyone who is offended by the president can file cases after his term.
Then any person can sue him for that violation. If you argue that, well, he is immune, well, you can always sue him after the presidency. No one is above the law, including this president, and he always tells us that.
The law prohibits catcalling, groping, statement of sexual comments, and suggestions against women or members of the LGBT community and other gender-based harassments. Online sexual harassment is also a violation of this law. Violators may be penalized with a 6,000 to half a million peso fine, community service or arrest of 6 days to 6 months. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue, Malacañang.